The Brother 1034D Serger comes with a foot that is considered a multi-purpose foot and also a blind hem foot. So what are we talking about with a blind hem? We're talking about a stitch that you can stitch and then it folds open and also has the stretch and give for a simple hem. Now you can set this up, I'm actually just going to leave it set up as a 4 thread, but if you take a look, you can go ahead and remove this inside needle. It's actually not really part of this stitch. But I do want to catch the outside needle, which on this one we're going to use the left one, just barely into that fold. Now the trick is if you want it to lay flat, then we're talking about actually making and turning it into a flat lock. So take your outside needle tension, so for example this is my left needle tension, the yellow one, and turn it all the way down to 1. So when it's loose, well, that's what makes it lay flat when it's all said and done. Now you will need to do just some minor adjustments until you get this kind of set up, but a traditional hem for the blind hem is set up like so, and you want to guide this with the adjustable guide, the fold, right next to the guide. So what we're talking about is getting it all set up. So once you have this going in, and if you need to, lift it up just to get it started. This is really lightweight knit fabric. But what I'm also doing is looking to make sure that the outside needle is going to catch, just barely catch the fold of the fabric as it's going down. Once I have that preset, then all I have to do is keep my eye on this fold, leaning right up against the guide. Now, if the guide needs to be moved, you can adjust it in or out based on the fabric thickness. And once it's, like I said, once it's set, all you have to do is stitch. But because that tension is really loose, look what it's going to look like on the back side here, where the yellow is just not holding it. Well, that's what's going to make it lay nice and flat when it's all said and done.